Hey everybody, good morning, Rob Moffat. Guys, this video is how to make a liquid cleaner that attaches to your garden hose. Something like this. The reason I'm doing this video is this is one of my old videos, how to make a really good Windex window cleaner. I think one of the best window cleaners that are out there. Somebody said, well, let me just show you what he said. He said, I would like a formula to replace outdoor window cleaner that sprays with a garden hose. So the thing of it is, I've never had the need to make one of these because I live in an apartment and I can't really use this. And I don't like making a video of something that I've never done. But I thought about it and I think I came up with a pretty good formula. The one I have here for interior windows is excellent, but a lot of times outdoor windows are very dirty and got a lot of crud on them. So I made some changes with my original formula, and this is what it is. Um, We've got 2 cups of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of ammonia, a tablespoon of liquid dish soap, a 1/4 cup of isopropyl alcohol, and a gallon of warm water. Just mix it up and with a gallon of water and use it, attach it to your hose end sprayer, starting from the top, and let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes. Then rinse it off or squeegee. The important thing, though, is always do this when it's cloudy. The cloudier, the better. Any sun, excuse me, any sun when you're working outside with your windows is really going to mess you up with a lot of streaks. But we added vinegar to the solution and increased the ammonia, the soap, and hopefully this would work even better than the one for the interior solution I did the other last few years ago. Um, you you uh, you can damage coated windows though, or some plants. You could use this on glass, fiberglass, plexiglass, fine aluminum, wood, plastic surfaces, exterior furniture, but don't use it on automobiles, siding, synthetic decks, newly sealed surfaces, and like I said, tinted windows. If you're in doubt, always spray a little bit on first and see what happens. Because like I've never, I've never used this before. This what I'm thinking how I would if I was going to make one. This is how I would make one. And the one I made for interior glass, it's perfect. So hopefully this was something that might help people. I think it's a pretty simple formula, and you can really save a lot of money doing it yourself. So guys, give this a try. If it worked out for you, let me know what you think. I appreciate the input. And we're all in this together. All right, guys, take care. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it.